Hello learners, your GATE exam is just 6 months away, and this is the point of time you have to decide which subject to study, and especially the two rank deciding subjects. Most of us focus on technical subjects well. Yes, obviously technical subjects are required, but at the same time the two non-technical subjects, mathematics and aptitude. These two subjects combinedly giving you 28 marks. These are the rank deciding subjects. At this point of time, you need to study and start these subjects and focus on getting 28 out of 28 marks. And the advantage of this subject is you are having lot of previous year questions. No need of additional practice questions. You can study from all branches PYQs. You can go through previous year questions of civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, chemical, whatever the branch of GATE exam. So every branch, mathematics and aptitude you can solve, and that will be helpful for your rank deciding. So you can get around 3000 previous year questions for maths and apti. If you solve those questions, you can crack any question in your GATE, civil, environmental science, maths and apti questions. And very importantly, attend the class of the most experienced teacher, because the most experienced teacher only knows short tricks, only knows which is important, which is not important, and only knows how to attempt the question in the exam. So go through the best teacher who is going to give you the best content, understanding content, especially to crack tricky questions in GATE examination. And as well as maths and apti helpful for your engineering services examination GS also. So this is the perfect time to plan your maths and aptitude journey, because GATE exam may 28 marks, engineering service exam GS may around 20 questions you are having. So most of the students are focusing on core, technical, but these are equally important. थोड़ा अच्छे से फोकस करो, 28 को 28 मार्क्स लाने के लिए कोशिश करो, आपको टॉप रैंक आने के लिए बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प हो जाएगा. अभी अनअकैडमी में फ्लैट 25% ऑफ इज गोइंग ऑन, along with 10% price drop and additional 3 months benefit. Use our universal code, refer your friends to use our universal code KPCIVIL. Join the upcoming batches of GATE and ESE. Let's crack it.